You camera shy. Wrong way. Yeah, get on your tractor and take it for a ride. Good job. There you go. All right. Now ride. Drive your tractor. Oh, there you go. Get it started up. Get it all started up. Oh, wrong way. Cutie. Ah! You get a back support that way, huh? It's more comfortable to sit that way? Okay. Alright. Real skeleton.